Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. If you have bad credit, if you went through a bankruptcy, don't fret. I have a strategy for you. You can actually rent other people's cars on Turo and make an income. First, you can find other Turo hosts by simply logging into Turo, pretending you're a Turo guest. You can book a trip with these Turo guests and communicate and say, hey, I love your car. I'm building a Turo fleet of other Turo hosts, and I would like to rent your cars on your behalf, make your life a little bit easier for a fee. You can do it that way. You can go on Instagram, Facebook, find Turo hosts that have cars. You can rent it on their behalf. Or you can go out yourself to dealerships, rental car companies, small mom and pop dealerships, or friends, family members, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, people that you know, colleagues, professionals that you know, whoever you know in your friends, people at your church, nonprofits, whatever. You can say, hey, I'll rent your car for profit and I'll share some of the profit with you. And that's how you start renting other people's cars, even if you don't have a loan, if you have bad credit, if you have a bankruptcy, doesn't matter. That's how you can actually get to the point of making money without even owning one car, by finding people, individuals, people that are Turo hosts, by reverse engineering and going to a Turo app and reaching out to them, or on Instagram, Facebook, finding Turo hosts and the Turo hosts Facebook groups, or by people in your own church, family and friends, colleagues, co-workers, etc. And you reach out to them and rent their cars on their behalf, pay them a fee, and then you earn on top of that with cars you don't even own. That's how you do it, even if you have bad credit or good credit. But this is really good for someone who has bankruptcy, or maybe you're not being approved for car loans, or you just don't have the money to get a loan. Maybe you don't have the down payment for the loan. Whatever the case is, there's a great way to do it where you don't even need a loan. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out.